Today we will be doing cotton textile industry. We know that this is the largest, India is the largest textile manufacturing country in the world, and it is also one of the largest exporter of cotton textile in the world. When we talk about cotton textile, it is directly or indirectly supporting about 40% country's labor force. This industry is divided into two: power loom and handloom sector. The most important cotton mills in the power loom sectors are located in Maharashtra, Gujarat, and Tamil Nadu. And the total output of these industries is more than 3/4 of the yarn, that is the thread and the cotton cloth. The remaining 1/4 is produced by West Bengal, Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, and the Andhra and Karnataka. Now, when we talk about the handloom industry, it is located in every Indian state. However, there can be found in Mumbai, Ahmedabad, Coimbatore, Karnataka. These are the major places where we have the handloom industries. Apart from this, we also have the main cotton producing centers, which is Mumbai. First of all, it is the main cotton producing center, and not only raw material but even the industries are found there, located there. So when we talk about Maharashtra, it is the leading producer of cotton textile along with Gujarat. These are the two foremost states which produce large amount of cotton. Now Mumbai and Ahmedabad contribute about 50% of the total yarn that is produced, cloth that is produced. Mumbai has become the most important center of cotton textile because it is, and that is why it is also known as the Cottonopolis of India. It is also known as the Lancashire of India, and Ahmedabad is the second largest producer, therefore it is known as the Manchester of India. Now Mumbai and Ahmedabad has emerged two important centers